Tired of spending money on gas in the Schaumburg area? Let's change that. With the all-electric Mini Cooper SE, you can skip the pump entirely and start saving instantly. At Patrick Mini, more customers are switching to electric and seeing real savings. And you're not giving up performance either. The Mini Cooper SE delivers up to 181 horsepower and goes 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds, making one of the quickest Minis ever produced. And it's perfect for Chicago area driving. Stop and go traffic? No problem. Electric power means zero fuel waste while sitting in traffic. Plug in at home overnight and wake up with a full charge. With available fast charging, you can even recharge up to 80% in about 30 minutes if you're on the go. With an electric range designed for daily commuting, the Mini Cooper SE is ideal for most drivers, even helping you save hundreds on gas every year. Plus, you'll enjoy signature Mini style, including premium interior tech and fewer maintenance costs thanks to fewer moving parts. Ready to ditch the gas for good? Visit Patrick Mini in Schaumburg to test drive the electric Mini Cooper SE today.